Mkpịsị edemede.
Mkpịsị edemede.
Mkpịsị.
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 Our Igbo
lessons.
Our beautiful viewers, thank you for clicking. And this is Igbo class. As you can see, these are some of my kids, and we have our weekends that we do normally learn Igbo, since they were all born here in Deutschland, in Germany. So I don't want them to miss their mother's language. So this is compulsory in our home that they have to speak my language. Subscribe to our channel. Your kids will definitely follow up, and they will eventually and effortlessly speak Igbo in few months or few weeks. Let's do it. So today we are going to learn Igbo language in the area of school. So thank you for staying with us, and let's do it. Who is a teacher in Igbo?
Onye nkuzi.
Onye nkuzi.
Onye nkuzi.
Who is onye nkuzi?
Your teacher.
A teacher is onye nkuzi. Next, ụlọ akwụkwọ.
Ụlọ akwụkwọ.
Ụlọ akwụkwọ is
school.
School. Your school is called ụlọ akwụkwọ. Next, nwata akwụkwọ.
Nwata akwụkwọ. Kids. School.
Yeah, the school child or a student.
Student.
Yeah. Nwata akwụkwọ.
Nwata akwụkwọ.
Nwata akwụkwọ.
Nwata akwụkwọ.
You're not speaking, you're not talking. Say it.
Akwụkwọ.
Oh no.
Nwata akwụkwọ.
Nwata.
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 Akwụkwọ.
Akwụkwọ.
Okay, next. Akpa.
Aba.
Not apa. Akpa.
Aba. It's bag.
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 A bag is called akpa.
Apa. Bag.
Yeah. Akpa. Akpa akwụkwọ.
Apa akwụkwọ.
Is what?
School books. School books.
Hmm?
School bag.
School bag. School bag is akpa akwụkwọ.
Akwụkwọ.
No, akpa.
Apa akwụkwọ.
Mkpịsị edemede.
Mkpịsị edemede. Pencil.
Yes, or pen.
Pen.
Pen for writing. Mkpịsị edemede.
Mkpịsị edemede.
Mkpịsị.
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 Edemede.
Edemede.
So it's like mkpịsị is anything small is mkpịsị. So this is mkpịsị aka.
Wait, toy.
So mkpịsị aka, say it.
Mkpịsị aka.
So you can also say edemede is writing. So mkpịsị edemede.
Small pencil.
Yeah, pen or pencil is mkpịsị edemede. So next is kamje ụlọ akwụkwọ.
I'm going to school.
I'm going to school.
I got it.
Be serious. I'm going to school. So kamje ụlọ akwụkwọ.
Kamje ụlọ akwụkwọ.
Ana m amụ akwụkwọ.
Ana m amụ akwụkwọ.
Ana m amụ
amụ
akwụkwọ.
akwụkwọ.
What does that mean? Anam amu.
I like to read my books.
I'm learning. I'm learning.
Okay, what does learning mean?
Amu. Anything learn is amu. More or amu.
Okay.
Amu is to learn. Anyị nwere ule.
I have exam.
Come on.
I have exam.
Yeah.
Exam.
Yeah. Anyị nwere ule.
Anyị nwere ule.
Anyị nwere ule.
Anyị nwere ule.
Ule. Okay. Onye nkuzi m fụrụ m n'anya.
I know what it is.
Okay.
The teacher is watching you.
Onye nkuzi m na-afụ m is the teacher is watching you.
The teacher is watching you.
Yeah, but onye nkuzi m fụrụ m n'anya. Your name is Ifunanya. Yeah. What is Ifunanya?
Ifunanya is peace.
Peace. No, shalom is peace. Ifunanya is love.
The teacher loves you.
He loves me.
Loves me.
Onye nkuzi m fụrụ m n'anya.
Onye nkuzi fụrụ m
n'anya. So, the teacher loves me. Emere m ọfụma n'ụlọ akwụkwọ.
I did my books. I did my books well.
I did well at school. I did well at school.
You know, you should always.
Emere m ọfụma n'ụlọ akwụkwọ. Say it. Say it where?
Food.
Emere m ọfụma n'ụlọ akwụkwọ. Okay. Akwa akwụkwọ.
School clothes.
School clothes. So, akwa akwụkwọ. Say it in Igbo. Nye m 5. Nye m 5. Anyị nwere egwumegwu taa. Say it first. Anyị nwere egwumegwu taa. Anyị nwere egwumegwu taa. Egwu is play. We have playing today.
That doesn't make a word.
It makes a word. We have playing today. If we have to go to outside to play, just like we had dancing today, I will the Igbo taa. You understand? Ụlọ akwụkwọ anyị amaka.
I like my books.
Ụlọ akwụkwọ anyị amaka.
I like my school.
Yes. My school is beautiful.
My school is beautiful.
My school is wonderful.
My school is wonderful.
Ụlọ akwụkwọ anyị. Say it.
Ụlọ akwụkwọ anyị
amaka. Ha na-emezi ụlọ akwụkwọ anyị. Okay, they are repairing our school. Ndị ụlọ akwụkwọ anyị nwere ọpụpụ taa. Meaning our school has excursion.
Our school has excursion.
Zion, be careful. Sit quiet. Sit well. You are spoiling the video.
And people are watching.
Yeah, people.
Right now.
You see, so ndị ụlọ akwụkwọ anyị nwere ọpụpụ taa.
Ụlọ akwụkwọ anyị nwere
ọpụpụ taa. Meaning,
I don't know.
Our school has excursion today.
Our school has excursion today.
Ụlọ akwụkwọ anyị nwere nnukwu ụzọ.
Has a big roof.
Ụzọ.
The school has a big
ụzọ.
Door.
Ụlọ akwụkwọ anyị. Be careful. Be saying what others are saying. Ụlọ akwụkwọ anyị nwere nnukwu ụzọ.
Has a big door.
Has a big door.
Say it in Igbo.
Has a
9. Ụlọ akwụkwọ anyị nwere nnukwu ụzọ. Get right. Meaning.
The school has a big door.
Big door. So now let's talk about the words. Words. We can go fast. The words. What are the words that you know in Igbo?
Eze, aqua, aka, eze, king,
Eze. We end it today here. We will have it again maybe tomorrow or next.
Yeah.
So what do you say to the viewers?
bye-bye.
No, not just bye-bye.
Okay, don't forget how to learn Igbo and don't forget to subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
See you in our next video.
Yeah.
Igbo lessons. Igbo amaka, say it.
Igbo amaka.
Igbo amaka.
Igbo amaka.
Gbaa mbọ na-asụ Igbo.
Bambo na Igbo.
Igbo amaka. Ka emesịa.